All right. Cooperate. All right, this has been exciting. Let me see. What's that one say? Let's see. Oh, cool. I like it. All right. That whole problem, section 3.3, starting at number 44. This is the kind of problem that I warned you guys about. Let me put it up here. Oh yeah, I should probably turn the computer on. Screw it, it's gonna take too long. Arf. All right. Is that focused? I think so. All right, so I think this is the one, yes. So they give you this whole write-up here. 48% of all California registered voters prefer life in prison without parole over the blah, 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 blah. And they define C to be the Californians preferring blah, blah, blah. So what's the probability of C? Yeah, 0.48. Kick ass. So the first several questions of this, no work. It's just part of what they tell you. So that's why you should see the symbols they're using and then give symbols to everything they tell you so that you know what you actually have to calculate and what you actually just know. What's the probability of L? Latino Californians.
Professor, but why is it 0.04 if 43 is separated?
Where are we at? Sorry? What's happening? Say one more time.
Is it 43 separated from the 2.3?
You said 53, right?
We're talking about 40.
51's the one that I was asking about.
51.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's the same, it's in the same problem.
50. Yeah, this whole region. Yeah, 50 something. So that's in this thing. Yeah. So before I get to 51, I want to make sure everybody sees how the problem itself works. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Cool. I need. Yeah.